AI is a field of computer science focused on creating intelligent machines capable of human-like tasks, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI systems aim to enhance efficiency, support complex decision-making, and augment human capabilities. Narrow AI versus general AI. Narrow AI is designed for specific tasks, like recommendation systems, search engines, and spam email filters, while general AI has the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. Exploring AI branches. AI has various branches, including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and generative AI, each focusing on different aspects of mimicking human intelligence. Real-world AI applications. AI is transforming our lives through applications like Google's search algorithms, Netflix's recommendation system, and self-driving cars, enhancing user experiences and improving efficiency. Ethical considerations. Fairness, transparency, and accountability are crucial ethical considerations in AI that need to be addressed for the responsible development and deployment of AI technologies. Challenges and future AI faces challenges such as limitations in technology, ethical dilemmas, and data dependency. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to transform our world, and understanding its basics, applications, ethical considerations, and challenges is crucial. Visit www.zeroinvestmentguidance.com for more details.